This demo is part of the Multi-Cloud Disaster Recovery as a Service offering from WAN Clouds, also referred to as VPC plus DRaaS. VPC Plus is the multi-cloud automation and orchestration suite covering migrations, disaster recovery, and cost optimization. In this particular demo, we will be covering setting up on-demand disaster recovery for IBM Kubernetes cluster. As the first step, please make sure to add one or multiple IBM Cloud accounts. Navigate to Cloud Accounts and click on IBM Cloud VPC to add IBM Cloud. Enter the cloud name and add your API key as well. We have already added a cloud account with the name Demo Cloud. Once the account is added, VPC Plus will discover existing cloud resources associated with this account, including VPCs across IBM regions as well as IKS and Red Hat OpenShift clusters. To take backup of an existing IKS cluster, click on Disaster Recovery tab from the navigation bar and choose IBM Cloud. We will be taking backup of the demo source cluster and restoring it as the demo target cluster. Here you can see that our source cluster has a namespace with the name Jinx with PVC. We will take its backup and restore it on demo target cluster. You can also see that we have provisioned the target cluster, but it has no workloads running. To initiate backup, click on Create Backup button. Enter the backup name. Select a region for your backup. Then choose the namespace you want to backup. Select the Cloud Object Storage. Here select a COS bucket where we will be storing our backup. Make sure to select a Cloud Object Storage key which has a managerial role. You have the option to take a single backup or create a schedule backup with periodic backup policy. For this demo, we will choose a single backup. Next, click on Create Backup. To see the status of the backup being taken, click on the notification button. Here you can see your cluster backup is in progress. Once completed, it will move to completed tasks. For restoring the backup, click on Cluster Backups to see your backups and the associated workloads. To initiate the on-demand restore, click on the Restore button. There are 3 restore options available. 1. Restoring this backup to an existing Kubernetes cluster or restoring it into an existing VPC with no existing Kubernetes cluster. The third option is to restore into a new VPC where a whole VPC infrastructure and cluster will be created using the IKS backup along with the VPC configurations. For this demo, we chose an existing IKS cluster to restore the backup we took. We will be using demo target cluster to restore the workloads we had backed up. Click the Restore button and the restoration process has been initiated. Let's wait for the process to get completed. RTO or recovery time depends on the option you have chosen for restore. Once the restoration process is successful, close this reporting window and move back to the Discover Cluster section to see the workloads of our target cluster. Click on Demo Target Cluster and here you can verify that the workload has been restored with the name Jinx and PVCs also attached to our workloads, just like our source cluster. This completes our demo. Thanks for watching and considering WAN Clouds as your multi-cloud solution partner for migrations, disaster recovery, and cost optimization.